Hello boss, China Tanfon presents you today the 500 kilowatt ESS solution. Follow me. This is the 20-feet container which can contain 500 kilowatt hybrid inverter with the 1.2 megawatt-hour lithium batteries. This is the 500 kilowatt MPS equipped with isolation transformer here for heavy load. This cabinet is with the EMS and also the UPS. The UPS will provide continuous power for EMS and the lithium battery BMS. At this side, you can find two pieces of the 250 kilowatt MPPT controller. So totally, it can get 500 kilowatt solar panels to generate power to charge the lithium battery up to 1.2 megawatt-hour. This is the battery pack here, totally 768 volts. So totally you can have 1.2 megawatt lithium battery here. Now we use the cooling system with reset of the air conditioner here to guarantee the safe use when there is high temperature. So the 20-feet container can directly put outside in your job site for your continuous power for 24 hours use. If you also want to use the power system in your mine, in your farm, in the hospital, and even supermarket, office, factories, you can contact Tanfon. We will provide you for 24 hours continuous power solution and save the diesel generator cost and electricity bill. Tanfon Solar ESS, safe, durable, and more saving.